Good day, viewers. Walter here. Today, I got a rose bush I need to plant that James gave his mother for Mother's Day. It was all dried on the buds and stuff, so we trying to get it nursed back to health a little bit before I thought about planting it out here. It's got a pretty day today. I got my equipment out here to see about putting it in the ground. It might look odd the way I plant my plants out here in the yard, and I'll explain. I've got everything in a row right here. You might ask, why is they all lined up? Well, I could make a round garden area, except for one thing. We have some drain fields out here in the yard, and where this line is, there is no drain field. I plant out there, I'd be getting into the drain field. So I just plant everything in a row. What I thought I'd do with this rose bush is take my rock right there and move it back this way a little ways. And put the rose bush right there. That's what I'm going to do. Pull up the whirligigs and pull them back this way. What I intend to do is use that thing to put my dirt in. We used to have a koi pond here. A big one, and this little small thing with a waterfall with a pump in it that was pumping water into the koi pond. One of my viewers over in England is big on koi ponds. I'm going to put a link to Dave's channel in my description below. I'd like my viewers to go check out Dave's videos. He's a prolific gardener, a railroad buff. Just never know what old Dave's going to put on there. Check him out. So today, listen, let's see about getting this rose bush planted. Basically, I'll explain to you what I'm going to do that I'm not going to video. I'm going to move the rock, dig a hole right there. The dirt that I dig out, I'm going to put in that container, sort out all the rocks and clumps and get it broke up, and mix potting soil and fertilizer or whatever I need in there with it. Then plant my rose bush just about where the rock is. I've always got leftover dirt when I do this, so I need fill dirt around the side of the house where it's all washed away, so I'll find a place up there to dump it. And this is not really a how-to, but it'll give you some idea how you might want to think about planting your rose bushes. First we're going to dig a hole. No, first we're going to move a rock, then we'll dig a hole. All right, I've pretty well gathered up what all I think I might need to do this job. Here in Georgia, we don't have any what I'd call good growing soil. We got a lot of Georgia red clay mixed in our dirt. That water's for me. I'm gonna dig a hole a little deeper and mix some potting soil down underneath where the plant's gonna be. The hole deep enough, but you can't grow it through that Georgia red clay and expect the plant to thrive. I seem to be hitting an awful lot of local rocks. When I built this house, you know, tell us what I got buried out here in the yard. There's another ruby. Yeah, that's definitely a diamond. Hitting tree roots from somewhere. It must be from that cedar tree. Oh well. Definitely a tree root down there from somewhere. Alright. Don't quote me on how to. I'll tell you how I do it. I got a lot of dirt busted up in the bottom of the hole. I'm just going to use my hands. I don't have a little spade out here with me. Sort of smells like cedar. Alright, I got some. I haven't used this product before. I used to use just regular fertilizer, but this says rose and flower granular plant food. Put some of that down in the hole and mix it up. Potting mix some of that down in there. Got a plant type material into that potting mix. Growers out there going to tell me I don't know what I'm doing, and I have to agree with you. But we're getting it in the ground, come hook or crook. All right, let's get some dirt mixed up over here. Don't need the rocks. Oh, let's just mix it right in the hole, then I'll pull it out. Try to pull all the grass roots back, but they're going to spread out there anyway. Put some native soil down in there. Mix it with this potting mix. There's a wild onion. Don't need that in there. Ooh, perfect little wild onions. I didn't realize I was digging them up. Alright. What I have here, I use on my tomato plants and everything else, is pure Epsom salt, like you might want to take a bath with. Oh well. Get them out. Got a handful of Epsom salt and mix that all down in the dirt. Let's go with another handful of plant food. plant dies, y'all can say, oh, I knew he was doing it wrong. Pretty well got it mixed in there, assortment of dirt. I'll mix some more in a minute. First we're going to get the plant in the ground. An energetic person would get up and go over there and get that rose. But when you get my age, it takes 5 minutes to get up off the ground when you get down like this. You just want to lean over there and get it. Alright, let's see. Ain't got my hole deep enough. Pull out some of that dirt. That's gonna be fine. Nursery, whoever planted this has got way too much bark in their dirt. Take some of that off. Actually, I shook it all off. Put a little dirt around there. Might be a little too deep. Let's pull it up a little bit. Anyway, that's how I plant flowers. Got a chance to grow as long as you got it in the ground. Well, for better or worse, I got it in the ground. She's got a chance to grow. Let's stick up the whirligig. I just leave my diamonds and rubies laying over there on that rock for now. It's Pwalpar signing off.